Hi everybody, it's me, Aiden, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. I'm so excited to be showing you guys how to cook today. I'm also really loving the emails you're sending. Please keep sending them. And also, today we're going to be making Aiden's roasted rosemary potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to be using are a bunch of red and yellow potatoes, salt, cream of tartar, paprika, rosemary, garlic powder, and black pepper, and oil. You could use the oil of your choice. I'm just using grapeseed oil and olive. The items that we're going to be using are a cutting board, a knife, and always remember, guys, the number one rule is safety first. An apple cutter, a spoon to mix with, tongs, a sifter, a baking tray, and parchment paper. Guys, before we prep anything, we want to preheat the oven on roast setting for 400 degrees. Follow me, guys. From boil to this side, guys. Roast. 80, 90, 100, 400. And guys, the first step is getting the sifter and pouring in the potatoes. Now, guys, we want to go over to the sink. Put on hot water. You want to make sure it's hot because it gets rid of all the pesticides and the bacteria. And it also makes it softer to cut. Guys, you want to start scrubbing it like this. And now, guys, we want to grab the apple cutter, put one potato down, and then, guys, we want to start by pushing down like that. We want to be careful in this step by pushing it out, taking it off. Then, guys, we want to make sure it's good, so we want to cut it like that. Then you want to cut it again, so in threes. Then we're going to rip it apart. We want to rip these apart. And now, guys, we want to go to the parchment baking paper and get your oil. Very little all over. Now, guys, we want to get some baking paper. Place it down and push it in. And now, guys, since we have this, we want to move it over and start putting in the potatoes. Now, guys, we want to keep doing this over and over. But, guys, it's kind of easier if you just cut it in half first. When you do this. Throw it in. Put these parts in. And then do the process over and over. You want to center it. Okay. And now, guys, look, it looks like a little apple. Yay! We have little apples. Guys, be careful with this part. Have your parents help with the apple cutter. It's super dangerous. Because, guys, apple cutters are super hard. I'm even having difficulty on it. Guys, I only did 3 potatoes. It's already having a good amount. And with your stem, guys, remember, cut it in half again. Guys, now we want to take the grapeseed oil and unscrew it. We don't want to put a lot, but we just want to drizzle it all over. Now, guys, you want to close the lid and start by putting in black pepper. This is a juicy amount. It's good, right, guys? Look at that. That looks like black pepper galore. And now, guys, garlic powder. It just goes out because it's like sand. Right, guys? Now it's time for the best part of it all. Rosemary, but it's not my secret ingredient. You guys will have to wait to see my secret ingredient. A lot of rosemary. And guys, now it's time for paprika. Now guys, time for salt. I use about a cup. For our secret ingredient, cream of tartar. Thyme. It looks like powdered sugar, guys, right? Guys, now for the best part. Almost the best part. More olive oil. We need more olive oil for all the seasoning to sweep in. Now, we just go in with our hands and mix. And guys, look at that perfect seasoning. All over. That's why you want to mix with your hands. Because your hands can control how you mix. The spoon can't control how you mix. For the presentable, you want to put some more on top. So I put all around rosemary. You want to put more rosemary on top. And then guys, now it's time to put it in the oven. And guys, when it's 15 minutes in, you want to mix it. Now we wait. Guys, now time to tell you how much is to put in. We need to put it in for about an hour. And you always want to check your eye on it. Some people like crispier, some people don't like it crispier. But my family likes it crispy. That's why we keep it in for about an hour. Guys, every 15 minutes, you want to go into stir. With this spoon. Guys, before we take it out, you need to put something down so it doesn't burn the countertop. Now it's time to get it out. Wow. Smells so good. Now guys, it's time to serve. Take a fork and plate, get a big dang scoop, and put it on a plate. Guys, can I tell you what goes best with this? 1 second, let me get it. Ta-da! Tomato ketchup. But guys, let's make it fancy to plate it. Going over and around in a circle. And make a little line across. But actually, let's make a star. And time for the big finish. A little rosemary on top. And it's done. Guys, we actually made roasted rosemary potatoes. Look! Now it's time to mix it up to try. Oh, that was so good. I need another bite. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye.